This is F1 6769. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. Yeah, Grace will be down a lot. He's got to keep my ass in check. Alright, 5 times, here we go. Good luck to all. Let's do this thing. Move now because they are. 5 times, here we go. Let's do this. This is your F1 team. 1. Derby's got to be close. 2. 3. 4. 5. Top is Aston Martin. Bottom is Red Bull Racing. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. And then on top of that we have your F2 team, or teams, for 1 lucky spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Virtuosi on top, Carlin on bottom. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Here we go. Good luck, all. Let's do this. We're looking for some nice numbered cards. Maybe even a relic if we're lucky. Here we go. Thank you, Peter B. I'm glad you're team that. I even don't mind having a bit of Vegemite. I don't mind using it as almost toast. I'll put anything on a Weet-Bix. Alrighty, here we go. Grand Prix, Pierre Gasly. Future Stars, Lundgren. Yuki Tsunoda. Daniel Ricciardo. Checkerboard. Verstappen, Didovic, Nannini, and Grand Prix of Lewis Hamilton. Lando Norris, Lewis Hamilton, Jahan Daruvala, Future Stars, Antonio Giovinazzi, a Lance Stroll for Aston Martin Formula 1 team, Cognizant, Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton, sorry, Mick Schumacher, Haas, Lewis Hamilton, and Lewis Hamilton. Yeah, Vitaway, Vegemite, butter. Marcus Armstrong, Esteban Ocon, and James Allison, light blue, for the Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula 1 team, number 2199, Pierre Gasly, Giovinazzi, Hamilton. When did this product get released? Like last week on Wednesday, like it came out of nowhere. Gasly, Lundgren, Yuki Tsunoda, rookie, for Scuderia AlphaTauri. Fernando Alonso, a checkerboard of Alfa Romeo Orlen, Daniel Ricciardo, Bottas, and Verstappen. Oh, a deep blue. Yeah, Verstappen, Honma. For Scuderia Ferrari, Charles Leclerc, Broom Broom, numbered 18 of 99. Bottas, G, Raz, no. Evidence. Strong, Ocon, Alpine, Apex Predators, Verstappen, Matteo Binotto, Hamilton, Perez. Yeah. Latifi, Lissani, sure. Bottas and Wolf Russell, Racing, Sonoda, and Leclerc. I like them being crunchy. Listen, I broke Eminence early at a very good price. Schoner, Verstappen, Horner, Schwartzman, Daniel Ricciardo, checkerboard. And it was the best feeling ever. Aston Martin and a Ralph Boschum for F2 Campus Racing. Yeah, Immaculate Cycle was just before Bottas, Hamilton, stars. Mick Schumacher, Flags of Foundation. Yeah, nothing too exciting. Vettel, Con, Vettel, and Varche. Here comes a gold. It's Sebastian Vettel for Scuderia Ferrari, numbered 19 of 50. Nice. Nikita will spin. Yuki Tsunoda, Lindell, Armstrong. 2 left in Derby. George Russell, Flags of Foundation. Liam Lawson, Verstappen, Schwartzman, and Sainz, Colour Sainz. I'm gonna go home and have wheat bix. Raikkonen, Vettel, Verstappen, Gasly, and Tost. For HWA Race Lab, Future Stars, Alessio Deledia, Perez, Gasly, and Pasuri. I also rate them higher. Verstappen, Bottas, Hamilton, Giovinazzi, and Alfa Romeo Racing, Jean Montour, Stroll, and Max Verstappen. Shout out to Tana Mojo. Hamilton, Guan Yu Zhao, Samaya. For Ferrari, Charles Leclerc, Sebastian Vettel, Giovinazzi, Leclerc, and Alonso. Of the Fernando variety. Another light blue. Good to see a couple of number cards. Latifi, Nassani, Shaw, and Bottas for Mercedes and Petronas Formula 1. AMG Petronas Formula 1. Fernando Alonso. Three packs to go of the F1 6769. Kimi Raikkonen, Freddie Bassett. Jost Carpenter. Perez, Cha, and Pierre Gasly. A Vettel Apex Predators. Sergio Perez for Red Bull Racing. Louis Hamilton, Perez, and Pierre Gasly. Can we get one more number card? Really? Is that just like because he's crazy, or? Car of Esteban Ocon, Carlos Sainz, Perez, Gasly, Hamilton. And that is that for F1 6769. I have been sitting on my foot too long. It's hurting. Alrighty. That is F1.